Good morning, friends. Here you see a notification from Government of India, Ministry of Defense. They are calling applications from the Indian citizens. Let us see which kind of categories are here. See here, stenographer grade 2, lower division clerk. They are related for us, and out of 8 categories we are related to stenographer grade 2 and LDC only. Just we can see here the required qualification for stenographer 12th class or equivalent from recognized board or university, that is equal to intermediate, and skill test norms. They are going to dictate 10 minutes duration of speed at the rate of 80 words per minute. After taking the dictation, the candidates should be transcribed within 50 minutes on computer. That is the required qualification for stenographer grade 2. And you see LDC here also 12th class, and typing speed at the rate of 35 words per minute in English, but the test should be conducted on computer. So it is also related post for us. Okay, we see here the age limit 18 to 25 years for unreserved category, and relaxation is applicable as per the rules of Government of India. Scheme of examination you see here for the post of stenographer grade 2. The examination will be consisting of tier 1, that is written test, and tier 2, that is descriptive, shorthand and typing test. The commandant to STC has the right to add an additional tier in the scheme of examination. Okay, whatever it is here, we are going to attempt two tiers. They are tier 1 and tier 2. In tier 1, you are going to write this objective multiple choice type of questions. You see part 1, part 2, part 3 are there. Part 1 is general intelligence and reasoning. Here number of questions 50, marks 50. In part 2, general awareness, questions 50, marks also 50. Part 3, English language and comprehension, number of questions 100 and marks also 100. And you see here 0.25 marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. That means negative marking also there. This is for tier 1. And let us see tier 2. Here descriptive paper, shorthand and typing test. Tier 2 test will be conducted for those candidates who qualify in tier 1, that is written test. Tier 2 will be consist of two parts as follows. One is descriptive paper and another is shorthand and typing test. Descriptive paper, let us see. Descriptive paper of 100 marks in pen and paper mode. The duration of the paper would be for 60 minutes. The paper would comprise writing of an essay of 200 to 250 words and letter or application writing of approximately 150 to 200 words. The minimum qualifying marks in Tier 2 would be 33%. The performance in Tier 2 would be included for preparing merit. The paper will have to be written either in Hindi or English. Part paper written in Hindi and part in English will not be evaluated. So, dear friends, here tier 1 and tier 2 both are very important. Tier 1 is objective type multiple choice questions are there. In tier 2 descriptive mode, here you have to write essay type questions and letter writing or applications, etc. And also in descriptive type, you have to write your examination either in English or Hindi, but you don't want to write partly Hindi and English. You don't mix like that. Either you can choose. And shorthand and typing test. The test will be conducted in English. The test will be qualifying in nature. Dictation test will be of 10 minutes at the rate of 80 words per minute. The same is transcribed within 15 minutes. So, dear friends, shorthand test will be there. They are going to test you. That is nothing but skill test. They are going to dictate 10 minutes dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. After taking dictation, just you have to transcribe it on the computer within 50 minutes of time. That is. And the final merit of the successful candidates would be determined on the basis of total score obtained by them in Tier 1 and Tier 2 tests. Only those candidates who qualify in skill tests will be eligible for recommendation of appointment as per their position in the merit list. So, dear friends, here the department is going to take into consideration, that is the marks of Tier 1 and Tier 2. They are important, they are going to take into consideration, but most important here is skill test. You must qualify in shorthand test, otherwise they cannot uh, take you for consideration for an appointment to the post of stenographer. That's why here shorthand test is essential, and every candidate, I mean the candidate must qualify in shorthand, otherwise they cannot consider your candidature. That is very very important, my dear friends. And shortly we can see here for LDC also scheme of examination for that. Okay. Here you see LDC also Tier 1 and Tier 2 typing tests are there. Tier 1, just you see, divided into 4: Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4. Part 1 is general intelligence and reasoning. Part 2, English language. Part 3, quantitative aptitude. Part 4, general awareness. And Tier 2 paper will be descriptive for 100 marks in pen and paper mode. The duration of the paper would be for 1 hour. The paper would comprise writing an essay, same, and application writing approximately so and so. It is also same like a uh, stenographer's mode, how they given. The same thing is here for LDC also, dear friends. And typing test. Typing test will be conducted for those candidates who qualify in the Tier 1 written examination and Tier 2 descriptive paper. Such typing test will be conducted in English or Hindi. Typing test will be of qualifying in nature. Candidates opting for English medium should have typing speed of 35 words per minute, and those opting for Hindi medium should have typing speed of 30 words per minute. The speed will be adjusted on the accuracy of typing on the computer of a given text passage in 10 minutes. So, dear friends, here also for LDC, two tiers are there. One tier one is objective type questions. In tier two, the same thing is there. That is application writing, etc. And after that, writing an essay also here. And after that, typing test. The candidates who are going to qualify in Tier 1 and Tier 2 only, they are going to give an opportunity to attend for skill test, that is typing test, for 10 minutes in English and also 10 minutes in Hindi also accordingly, dear friends. So they are very important instructions to you, and let us see important instructions. Yes, you see application for the post off. While you are sending your offline mode, this is offline mode to apply but not online. Just you have to download the application or just you type neatly Okay, just you take that application and just you write on the envelope like application for the post off, and you mention the of category also in capital letters, that is, and self-attested photocopy of complete discharge. This is for ex-servicemen. This is not for us. Um, Applications will be rejected. Okay, these are all common thing. You see here, this is the proforma of application. Just you have to download it. Download and just to write your details and you fill the application form and just to send to the given address. The address is just to see here the commandant headquarters to Signal Training Center, Panaji, Goa 403001, and sent by registered post or speed post. Just you can send it through registered post. And while you are sending your certificate copies, just you attest, self attestation is required for this while you are sending it. And the photographs are also needed where it is necessary to paste. So this is the information from my side, dear friends. Those who are willing to apply for this, just you download it and you read the instructions carefully while filling an application through offline mode. And also the last date for this is to send your applications. Just you see here, the last date of receipt of application forms is within 21 days from the date of publication of advertisement. That means this advertisement published on, dear friends, it is published on, just you see, 3rd July 2021. That means the last date is only, the last date is 24th of July. So today is 9th, the date. So there is hardly 10 days time there. If you are interested, then you apply as early as possible, dear friends. Anyway, thank you very much and all the best. Thank you.